Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to do kind of a wrap-up slash overview of the wave ranges. Now, in the last video, we went over what it looks like on the customer side, how the prices increase, and kind of explain that after creating one. And we're just going to go over, like, say, if you wanted to edit one or view your details of one, how you would do that. So if you're going to come back into that Wave Ranges tab over here, it's going to bring you to your ranges page. From here, you can actually edit this range from here, and that'll bring up all the places to edit it. The only thing is the actual product can't be changed. So if we want to do a different product, we would need to create another range, but pretty much everything else here can be changed, edited, if need be. Now, say you wanted to just disable it completely, you can come up here to the menu and just hit disable. This will disable the range altogether, and it will bring it to the inactive tab. So if you were to go over to the inactive tab, you'd see some of our inactive ranges, or on yours, your inactive ranges, or you can come back to your current list. You can also view the details of a range from here. It just gives you kind of a summary of what the range is set up for. And also you do have a log as well to see when it was ran and what it did. So that's just kind of basic navigation of our wave ranges. Now, some things to keep in mind, something I just want to quickly explain if I can, is once a range has been ran, so for instance, our last video or a couple videos back, we ran that range because one ticket was sold, it increased the price to 10%, which is what this range is set up to do. So at one ticket sold, the price increased 10% for that day. So it only increased on May 10th. It didn't increase for any other days inside of our range because tickets weren't sold for that yet. Once they do, it would increase that day's prices, but it does operate on a day-to-day basis. It does not operate through the entire range's date range, just from day to day as tickets are sold on that day. Something else to keep in mind is once the one ticket is sold and we trigger the range, that 10% increase will stay, like for instance in that video on May 10th, one ticket was sold on May 10th and that range was triggered and all the prices for the times that we had selected increased by 10%. Now, once 2 tickets are sold, 3 tickets are sold, 4, 8, 20, the price is always going to be 10% increased on May 10th. Now, if we wanted to increase it to 15%, say past 10 tickets sold, we would set up a second range for that to start at 10 tickets, and we would set that price at a 15% increase, or that would technically be a 15% increase from the range price, I believe. But if we wanted to set that as an increase, we could. So each time we could have different stacked tiers of tickets sold, triggering higher ranges for higher prices, depending on drive interest in that particular day, which is really great for holidays. Those are some simple points to just keep in mind and to remember whenever you're creating wave ranges. Just play around with it, see what it does. But if you need any help, as always, again, my name is Amber, and I'm happy to help out.